Today we're gonna be playing Minecraft.
Welcome to my channel.
No flash it.
My channel.
Okay, we're gonna be playing We're gonna be doing. This is the Survival House Part 2. Okay.
Woo, yeah, and all that stuff.
Yeah. Okay. Let's just join Minecraft right now.
Last time we were.
Don't forget to like and subscribe, please.
Last time we left the video because we needed to go buy Springtrap's bed. I mean my bed. So we
didn't have to do that. We were just waiting out. We just had to.
Oh yeah, we went with Tigerthor to do some games. We
We were
made a
bored.
race.
No, we need a break.
Yeah, we need a break. So then we were gonna make a gaming video, but we needed.
Monkey just joined the game.
But
I'm joining.
But
I'm
then
in.
we needed to go to Taco de Nacho.
Ah!
What's that? Monkey.
Flash se ha unido a la partida.
Oh,
Púlsate.
yeah.
Retorno mando cruceta
Why do we
derecha
have to
para
have
abrir
our
el
house
chat.
all the way up here?
Our house because it's a good house up there.
No, it's not.
Yes, I love houses up there.
Yeah, but I don't even know what to do. I have
Just build.
I have 25 sand. But
Then
no
make.
coal.
Oh, don't worry.
Oh no, I have wood actually.
I placed the furnace.
I have wood.
We need beds.
There. No, that's fuel input, and
We need a roof, and we need the walls. Monkey, why do you look better when you're a plushie?
Yeah,
I don't
Monkey,
know.
You look
Hey,
You're
terrible.
cringy.
Don't bully me.
Ow! Ow! Hey, Monkey, don't come close to me. Look what I have.
bully
Flash
monkey.
asesinado.
Oh,
I killed Monkey.
why'd you have to do that?
Push. Push. Oh, I didn't mean to kill you.
Ah!
Ah! Oh, ah! I fell down myself.
Oh my God!
Ooh.
What? Why are you hitting me?
You're mean.
You're mean.
You look.
And also,
Springtrap ha asesinado a
me
Monkey.
and Monkey are gonna be doing some Roblox videos.
Yeah, but I'm not gonna be in them because they go to their house, and I can't go to their house.
Guys, you see that big cave over there?
Yes.
Right over there? Come
Yes.
where I am. You see that big cave?
Yeah.
Yes.
Let's go mining.
Okay,
There's
but
a cave right there.
okay, let's jump on the trees because I'm a monkey and I can do that.
All right.
See, look, I didn't get hurt.
I didn't get hurt either.
You dang humans.
I didn't get hurt either.
Look at wee.
It looks so cool when you're in water. When you're.
I
swimming.
know.
Yeah, I know. Minecraft added the you can swim now.
Okay, let's go to this creepy cave.
I don't even know how we became adults now. I remember we were
Everybody
babies.
stay here. Everybody
Yeah,
stay
we
here.
were babies.
Ow!
Everybody
Help
stay.
me!
Huh?
I fell down the hole.
Wait, Flash.
Oh, let's go. There's a cave down there. Come on.
Flash, I'm just gonna cheat this one time. I'm so sorry.
No,
What?
I have torches.
Huh?
You're gonna what?
just gonna cheat this one
Monkey,
time.
64 a Monkey.
You cheated 2 times.
I'm
Hey,
sorry.
cheat
No
two
more
times.
cheating. No more cheating. No more
I already
cheating.
had
Monkey, how
torches.
you even cheating?
I'm giving
Oh, the
myself to.
spider.
Ay,
I was slaughtered him.
Kill him. I'll get the coal. I'll get the coal.
Spider! Oh,
Hey.
Monkey,
I'll get
that's
the
you.
coal.
Okay.
There's a cave over here.
Oh, we're just finding caves all around here.
Oh, boy, let's go down here. Oh, it's more darker and deeper and scarier.
I'm gonna make
Monkey, you're scared of everything. Oh, look at iron.
Corn.
I can't mine it. I have
I can.
Hey, who did that? Let's
No,
go
you
deeper.
hit me.
This guy, I'm sorry.
Spider! I'm gonna slaughter him.
Whoa.
I get all
There's
the
a deeper
mate-
cave.
I get all the materials, okay? I'll get like all the loot and,
Ah!
and you guys defend me.
I just unlocked another cave. I just
Whoa.
look it.
Whoa, Monkey.
I just
Wow,
placed
So
a
Monkey,
torch.
you wanna know something?
What?
If you go all the way down and you see lava, that means there's gonna be good loot.
I see lava right there.
That means there's
Oh
gonna
my
be
god,
good
it's a
loot.
bigger cliff.
Yeah, I know, that's why. Don't fall in the lava.
I know.
I can't because I have all the stuff. Oh yeah, we have to keep inventory.
Whoa, there's a lot of lava down here.
Yep.
I want to touch it.
Look at redstone.
Redstone?
Wait, don't.
Look at that blue stuff down there.
I know,
See, I told you good stuff.
but we can't break the redstone because it's gonna fall into the lava.
I have wood.
Wood is gonna burn.
No, it's not.
Hey,
Move.
don't push me into the
Look.
lava.
Ah!
See, I told you.
I ran out of wood. I can use dirt.
Yeah, use dirt. Dirt doesn't
Okay.
burn.
Wait, guys.
It's not under. Okay.
But
There
we
we
need
go.
it.
I'll mine it.
We
I'll
need
mine it.
We need iron.
Oh wait, we need a better pickaxe.
Monkey, can you cheat again?
Fine, I'll cheat.
Give me an iron.
just
Give me
because
an
we found-
iron.
Fine,
Monkey, give us all iron.
okay.
Iron pickaxe.
I'm so sorry, but I have to cheat.
Yeah, I'm sorry, guys. It's just...
Recibiste Iron Pickaxe
It's just there's a lot of good stuff down here. and I
I
really
got redstone.
and I really
But
want
I
it.
forgot we
There's
were
also
making.
that. There's also that thing over there that can be good, but it's covered with lava.
I can get there.
Monkey, this is not a tree. You can't get. Whoa! I almost died.
I
I
know.
forgot we were
More
making a video.
redstone.
I forgot we were even making a video.
I gotta get the redstone by under.
Let's go. Ooh, there's water here. Time to jump in the water. Oh, that was a little scary.
All right, guys.
Guys, come follow me down here, over here.
Yeah.
Guys, follow me over here.
Oh, that was so scary.
Follow me over here.
Guys,
Iron.
Oh, where I found more torches.
What if we find gold or diamonds? Oh, I fell in
Flash
the
ha
lava.
intentado nadar en la lava.
Ooh,
I can teleport to you. Don't. Oh, it's already nighttime.
wait a second. I'm so sorry, guys.
What?
I have to do a message.
don't leave the game.
I'm not leaving it. Don't tell me. Don't get too far away from me. Okay, I'm back. I got a lot of redstone. Okay, guys.
Monkey's doing something for me,
Yes.
so I can teleport back. Because I don't know how to.
Flash se teletransportó Flash hacia Monkey.
Okay, guys.
I just found some diamonds.
Ooh, iron.
Oh, he did.
Oh, where is he?
He's like super far away from us.
Now he's lost. Find the diamonds.
From 2.
Whoa.
They're for me.
Don't be that picky.
I'm
I
getting
found some
some.
redstone.
I'm
where
getting
there's no lava.
coal. I'm getting coal.
I'm getting redstone. They can actually be useful.
Se tel-
Teleported Springtrap to Monkey.
Oh, hi.
I
Springtrap?
teleported myself.
Okay.
I saw
Remember,
some
we're doing
diamonds.
a video. Springtrap, don't be so mean, or else this channel's gonna be the one going bye bye.
Redstone. I wonder what we can use this for.
Let me
I have 39 redstone. It can actually be useful instead of
can
using
make-
levers. Guys, look at
Yeah.
a new cave.
Oh,
Guys,
new
new cave. New cave.
New
I almost
cave.
fell in the lava.
cave.
Wait for Springtrap.
I know.
Okay.
Oh, there's water here.
Oh,
Gotta
guys.
get past the water.
Guys,
It's not that
Yeah.
hard.
we make videos together because
What?
like if
Oh,
we,
that's a big jump.
Oh no! How did Springtrap do it? No!
I was about to.
No!
The
Ow.
reason
Stay there! Stay there! Don't
The reason
keep
we
jump. Keep going up and down. Don't die on me.
Jump, jump,
Don't
jump.
die.
There we go.
The reason we all make videos together is because we're siblings.
Yeah, you don't have any ears. Oh, why?
You're not gonna make it.
You're not gonna make it.
Wait! I'm gonna get some stone to make it.
I have
No, that's not-
cobblestone. I have cobblestone.
Then build over there.
I only have 2 cobblestone.
I got 4.
Alright, just build cobblestone.
Move!
try
Move
my-
out of the way, everybody. Out of the way.
Out of the way. Alright,
Okay.
lead the way, Springtrap.
He's really
This is really hard to get.
dangerous.
Oh.
Ooh, this stuff looks like candy.
Monkey, don't talk about candy right
I
now.
might even eat some of it.
No, Monkey, don't!
Oh.
It's lava.
Okay.
Alright, Springtrap, keep
Okay, we
going.
need to get to the other side.
I don't have any more materials.
Everybody out of the way. I'll
Springtrap,
build.
out of the way, out of the way.
Out of the way.
Monkey ha intentado nadar en la lava.
Monkey!
Don't worry, I can just teleport back. If I can't. If I
I just
can.
lost all my cobblestone in the lava.
Oh no!
Wait,
Don't tell me in. Okay.
Monkey
Okay.
se teletransportó Monkey
Okay,
hacia
I'm here.
Flash.
when I still
Everybody,
got
move
some
out of the way!
stuff.
Out of the way! Out of the way!
Why'd you push
Monkey
Monkey?
ha intentado nadar en la lava.
Why'd you push Monkey?
It was an accident. I tried to place a block.
Where'd you find those white things? I don't see them around. Oh yeah, I found them.
Monkey se teletransportó Monkey
I'm
hacia
back.
Flash.
Alright, we're building our bridge.
We can just jump.
There we go. Right, brand new cave.
Brand new
This
cave.
is an old cave.
No,
It's a
it's
brand
actually
new,
brand new.
one. Okay, guys,
No,
I'll
'cause I
build.
placed that block.
Blue things. Blue things. I really want to get them, so I'm gonna mine them.
We can
You have to
enchant
go
stuff.
from there.
We can enchant stuff with them.
Yeah, we can enchant stuff when we get those. Don't drop it in the lava, Monkey. What did I just say?
I'm sorry.
Found,
Monkey, no more candy.
found some gold.
I will push you into the lava.
Found
sir.
some gold.
Where?
Coal? Oh, you
Gold.
said gold.
4 gold. I mean 5.
5. Okay. We're not keeping it for ourselves. Putting it in the family chest.
What happens if people steal it though?
They're not. We're using the gold for something useful.
But for all of us, something
Yes,
useful
for all of us. Monkey, how do we get back?
No,
I really don't know.
I don't want to get back. I'm still looking. 'Cause I found some
Wow,
good stuff.
Monkey, look it. Let's go through here.
Oh, okay.
I'm lost.
Right? You just have to jump. Ah, hey, I'm dying. I'm trying to get in the water. Ah. You just have to be really quick and get in the water. Get in the water.
Where are you guys?
All
Oh,
right.
you're
We're over here. Right, it's very hard to swim. Alright, we're stuck here now.
Well, there's a new cave up here.
Oh, up there? Springtrap, stop spawning gold.
There is a lot of iron up here.
I'm just
Wait,
finding
where?
the gold.
Oh yeah, I found the.
I'm
Almost
finding
died.
gold.
Monkey, where are you?
Almost died.
I'm getting.
Oh.
I don't know why I'm getting.
Ooh,
all
that's
the-
that's new cave up here. Right over here. Let me just
I
get
don't know
up.
why I keep on getting all the gold.
Aren't we supposed to be building our house instead of doing this?
Now we're mining. Monkey, over here. This is a brand new cave.
Brand new
It's
cave?
so big.
Huh? Ah!
It's so big.
I almost died. Wait a second. I want to go down
Wait,
here.
no, we have torches. It's over here. That's a brand new cave.
Oh, okay.
What?
Wait, this is the brand old cave.
A brand old cave. No, it's over here.
Huh?
Over here.
Ew. Yeah, it's pretty dark down there.
Yeah, we haven't explored it. Oh, there's
hit
2
me?
sides. Everything just fell.
Oh no, we were gonna die.
We were about to die.
Ooh, come see this, guys.
What? Where are you?
I'm right there in the other entrance of the cave. Right
Oh,
here.
right here?
Yes, look it.
Whoa.
It's like a ginormous drop. That's just lava. So let's go through this way.
That's just lava. That's just lava.
And the other side they can.
Oh, I
use
found the
some
blue thing.
diamonds.
What?
I found the blue,
I'm getting the redstone that's down here.
Found more
The
diamonds.
rest is just lava down
Found
here.
more diamonds.
okay.
Diamonds?
Yeah.
Mine them.
Oh my god, there's a lot of cave.
I know there's so
Oh,
much.
there's
cave.
another entrance.
Wait, I'm just mining these iron.
Wait, I'm finding so much diamond.
Are you guys coming or
Guys, I
not?
don't know why I'm
Coming, monkey.
finding all the loot.
Well, because you always leave the crew. That's
Are you coming up here? Springtrap?
I'm trying to get as much.
No, that's the
I'm
wrong
about
way,
to
that's the
die
wrong
of
way.
Hunger. I'm about to die of hunger.
I'm
Oh,
not
yeah, I'm not. I only lost 3.
I lost 0.
Look, I only have 3 more.
I'm about to run out of torches.
I only have 3.
Oh no, there's 2 caves here.
Oh no.
Oh
going
wait, this
this
is
way.
just a drop. Just a drop.
Right, this way. Oh, this is brand new cave right here.
Brand new cave.
Very deep.
Can you give me some food? Can you give all of us some food?
It's not. It's a rip off.
Can you give us all of
Let's
us
go see the
food?
big drop down there.
What?
That monkey was talking about.
Oh yeah. How about let's go build our house?
Yeah, let's
Let's
go
just see
back.
the big drop.
Ah!
Ah!
We
I'm
haven't-
gonna go kill myself in the lava.
We also. Let's kill ourselves in lava, then go back.
Good thing we have.
Monkey ha entrado en combustión.
Okay, let's build our house
Flash ha
now.
intentado nadar en la lava.
Well, we have a lot of stuff now.
Well, we actually survived the night down there.
Oh yeah, it's daytime. Okay,
Springtrap tried to swim
is there glass?
Oh yeah, it's in the furnace.
Oh, why'd you place?
There's one in the furnace.
Okay,
Glass.
start placing glass. I'll place the roof.
I can make a redstone torch.
Okay, but just make the
I'll
put the glass.
I can also make redstone block.
Okay, but don't make anything out of the redstone yet.
I'm smelting all the gold. Where did I put the glass? In these empty spots?
I can then go hunt for food.
Okay.
I'll go with you. Freaking be double the food, and we need some beds.
Yeah, you need some wool. Go get some.
All right, I found pig. Oh, I found our first sheep. Found our
Okay.
first sheep.
Found it.
Whoa.
Our second sheep.
That's a nice view.
Got the wool.
Found the other cave.
Wait, where? Whoa. Wanna go inside?
Here, let's go. We'll be back. We might get lost.
Well, it's over here. It's over here.
I need this.
Down here.
We might get
We
lost.
don't have any torches.
I have 3.
Use them wisely. No, actually, I can see down here. I have my brightness to 100.
I can see 2, but I can't see
This
the
is
oars.
the end. This is the end.
Can't see the oars though.
I need a lot of wood.
It's really hard to see the oars. I didn't see that. We're gonna need to make armor.
That's enough wood.
I wish there was such thing as redstone armor. We'll have a lot of that.
Wait, how much redstone do you have?
I have 43.
I
But
think
that
I,
won't be enough for all of us.
I am lost.
I'm
Okay.
sorry. It's hard to get up here. Alright, we have to hunt animals.
4 hunters.
Bing!
Monkey, I hope you didn't get off the house because we have no idea. Oh, it's right there.
It's over there.
I'm lost.
I found a 3rd sheep. That equals 1 bed.
Oh boy, we get a thing now. A bed.
Oh yeah. Oh wait, is that glitch? Flash, was it you or was it the glitch?
Is it God again? Don't take me away!
Yeah, I think it's the glitch, or is it you?
It's God that wants to take me away. Take away Monkey, not me.
I don't want to go away.
Monkey, you have to go away. I don't want to go.
Fine, I'll go away because I don't even know where the house is. So I'm just gonna kill myself.
No. I'll teleport to you.
No, I'm lost. Don't teleport
He's
to
lost
me.
also, Monk. Oh, Springtrap.
No, I'll teleport to you.
I know where you are.
Dumb.
I know where the house is. House is the other side.
I'll kill myself.
Monkey se ha caído de un lugar alto.
Look,
Okay.
the house is right there.
Oh, I'm in the house now though.
Whoa, I'm in a
Can you
forest.
kill me now? I found a pig.
Then okay.
I can't play in these conditions. Just cut my nails. That feels weird.
Oh,
Oh, I found another cave, guys.
Guys, I'll go.
Wow, this one's big.
Where's all the glass?
What? He has it. Springtrap.
Come on.
I'm going back. Wait, can you kill me?
I'm gonna craft
Whoa.
some doors.
Monkey, I
Yeah.
have to eat raw food because I'm starving and I'm in the wild.
Ew. You're gross. You're gross, Sonny. Boy.
Make blue beds.
I need a chest.
Get that.
I need a chest
Build
first.
that.
Oh, I need a chest.
Where did I put all the?
That's why I needed a chest. Okay, who's placing the glass?
Me.
Okay, don't
Oh yeah, guys. And
don't-
sometimes Monkey might play just for fun. What?
wait. What do you mean for fun?
Sometimes Monkey might play just for fun.
By myself?
Yeah, by himself.
Sir, you forgot a hole right here.
What is that?
What are you doing? What are you doing?
Guys, I just found a cat.
What are you?
Guys,
Oh,
what is this thing called?
What?
Sweet berries.
Oh boy, you got berries.
I got berries.
Where are they?
Oh, I have them right. Wait, what? I don't want to eat them.
Go get the berries.
I'm getting all the berries.
Where are you?
Oh, there's nothing inside.
I'm getting the berries.
You go check my bag, guys.
Wow.
Okay, we don't have rooms. We need to make separate
I
rooms
have
for
10
us.
berries. I have 10 berries.
Huh?
I have 10 berries.
10 berries.
10 berries.
Okay.
Ooh, there's. Oh, guys, you won't believe this. What I just found.
What?
I just found a dog
Guys,
in the middle of
my bed is
nowhere.
ready. My bed is perfect. It's an Avengers bed.
Okay.
Guys, I'm gonna kill the dog. I'm gonna kill the dog.
No, don't kill it. Give it bones. Give it bones. It can be your pet.
I don't have any bones, so I just killed it. I don't know how to get back.
Okay, well, we explored the cave already.
What, Monkey? Can you just kill me?
We both have
No.
our house.
Monkey, can you kill me? I got lost.
Okay.
I know where you are. No, don't kill me. I know where we are.
Slain by Flash.
I'm in the middle of the
Monkey,
forest.
Flash murió.
There.
Flash ha muerto.
We need more glass.
I have berries. I have berries.
Okay.
Where?
We
Let me
need.
see.
Do you have more glass, Flash?
What?
Do you have more glass?
No, but I have berries.
Flash, who cares about the berries? I want the glass.
I'm
Can you
putting
eat the berries?
I want the glass.
No, don't eat the berries right
I
now.
want to try them. I want to see if. Wait,
I can't eat them.
What? I never knew about this add-on. About this. I never knew this was possible.
It's not an add-on. It's just berries.
I know. I didn't know it was possible.
So, we need more sands.
Yes, we do, monkey.
I'm tired already. How about let's just end the video here?
No.
Yes,
Yes.
we should end it because monkey's
Yeah.
not gonna go get any more glass.
No, let's do part 3. Part 3 will be on Tuesday.
Yeah.
Maybe part
Next
2 we're
Tuesday.
gonna finish our house.
Part 3 we're gonna
No,
finish our
part
house.
3 needs to be here
Part-
because part 3 needs to be with Springtrap.
It doesn't
Yeah.
have to be a spring trap. All right, guys, I'm gonna kill myself from a high place.
Go.
Yeah.
Oh.
I didn't die. So I'm
Okay,
gonna
guys,
drown
we're gonna end the video here then.
Bye
Guys,
bye.
first we need to kill. First I'm gonna kill myself.
Why are you gonna kill yourself? Okay, jump off that cliff. I will push you off. Oh, I didn't make it
I
in time.
died. Oof.
I'm gonna drown myself.
Okay, guys, don't forget to like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe.
And
So
yeah.
we can be doing more of these videos.
Whee!
Comment down below what do you want us next to do,
Yeah, guys.
We can get a map if we want.
or comment down below what game you want us to play in Roblox.
Or either in any game.
Any game.
You,
It has to be
but
on a phone.
we can download a game if you want. But it needs to be a game that we can join each other.
Yeah, a multiplayer game. So what multiplayer game should we play
You can
next?
tell us what to do in Minecraft or what game to play in Roblox.
Okay, so goodbye.
Bye.
Blah, 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 blah.
No, no, no.